If you want to make your Mailchimp emails look more polished, more visual, and a lot more professional, adding icons is a simple trick that can make a big difference. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add icons in Mailchimp step by step, even if you've never done it before. We'll go through the full process together, from opening the editor to uploading your icon, resizing it properly, and saving everything at the end. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the email editor in Mailchimp where you want to add the icons. This is the message or campaign that you're currently building. Once you're inside the editor, look for the text area or section where the icon should appear. This could be next to a heading, under a call to action, beside contact information, or anywhere else you want to add a visual element. Next, click on the text box where you want to add the icon. This is important because Mailchimp needs you to select the exact content block before you can insert an image. Once the box is active, you'll see the editing tools appear at the top. That's where the insert options are located. Now click on the insert image icon at the top. This opens the image selection options inside Mailchimp. Since we're adding an icon, we want to upload our own file instead of choosing a stock image. Icons usually work best when they're simple, clean, and not too large, so PNG files with transparent backgrounds are often a great choice. After that, click on Upload. This lets you bring in the icon file from your computer. Once the upload window opens, find the icon you want to use, select it, and then click Open. Mailchimp will then upload that image into your campaign and place it into the selected text area. Once the icon appears, you may need to adjust the size accordingly. This step matters because icons can easily look too large or too small depending on the layout of your email. You want the icon to match the surrounding text and not overpower the design. Make small adjustments until it looks balanced and clean. After resizing, click on Width to fine-tune how wide the icon appears. Then click on Height to adjust the vertical size. Changing both width and height helps you control the exact proportions of the icon so it looks sharp and consistent with the rest of your email content. If the icon looks stretched, make sure the proportions stay visually balanced. Once you've made your adjustments, take a moment to review how the icon looks in the email layout. Check that it aligns properly, fits the spacing, and enhances the design instead of distracting from it. A well-placed icon can improve readability and make your email feel much more modern and organized. When everything looks right, click on Save and Exit. This stores your changes and takes you back out of the editor. At this point, your icon should now be added to your Mailchimp email and ready to use in your campaign. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add icons in Mailchimp. It's a quick process, but it can really improve the look and feel of your emails. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.